beautiful people, it's me Trish and welcome to my YouTube channel. For today's video, I'm going to do a Q&A while getting ready with me. So, if you're interested in watching, go ahead. Do you remember your first makeup item? My first makeup item was, tatlo lang yun Nichido, Caroline, and Ellana. Doon talaga ako nagsimula, and that was not mine, that was my mom's or my sister's. Kasi my sister, sa likod siya. My sister was a performer and she used to put on makeup too. So I used her makeup and my mom's makeup because, yeah. Hindi ko alam kung hindi ko alam kung may makikita akong picture nun online. Kasi yung tinry ko mag-search nung sa, I'm not sure if it's Ellana or Caroline. Yung square siya, tas 4 colors lang, tas puro metallics, wala siyang matte shades. Yung sa Caroline naman ata, yung may blush, may pang eyeshadow, ganon. Tapos yung sa Nichido, no, I think it was Nichido. Hindi ko sure. Basta, I'll try to insert pictures of what I think it was. Hindi ako nag-eyeshadow. Wait lang. Ayun, dumaldal lang ako sa first question. Hindi na ako nakapag-eyeshadow. But this is the, I already started with this eye. The second question is, do you like trying new skincare products or do you keep a certain routine? Yes, I like trying new skincare products and I also keep a certain routine. Kapag may product ako na nagustuhan or nahiyangan ko, ganon, sinasama ko siya sa skincare routine ko. And kapag may nakikita akong new releases ng mga skincare products and kapag convincing talaga siya, I save up or I ask my mom to try it with me kasi my mom also likes skincare. So, yun. The next question is, my 5 favorite beauty gurus. In no certain order, my 5 favorites are Nikki Tutorials, Paul Donating, Patrick Starr, Riza Kantawi, and sino madig na sabi? Bretman Rock. Sila talaga. They became a big part of my makeup journey. Lahat ng mga nalalaman ko, ng mga natutunan ko, I got it from them, I learned it from them, and they're very inspiring kasi to get to know their story behind makeup, it's amazing. Yeah. The next question is, what do you love about makeup? I love everything about makeup. I'm just going to carve my eyeshadow. I love everything about makeup because it's a form of art. Another way to express yourself. And for others, makeup might be just like kaartehan lang. But it's more than that. Kasi others make a living through makeup. Yung mga freelance makeup artists, mga celebrity makeup artists, they make a living out of it and it helps them, survive. It's amazing because doing makeup, putting makeup on others, can help you survive. Mahirap magsalita habang ginagawa ko to. The next question that I got is, what inspires you to do creative makeups? Nung nag-Instagram ako and I saw a lot of amazing makeup artists, I saw their feed and I checked their bio, makikita ko 13 years old. 13 years old, tapos ang ganda ng feed niya, ng creative looks niya. I'm 21 and I haven't posted a single thing kasi I was shy to start an Instagram account. I was not that confident in posting my makeup looks kasi feeling ko hindi naman siya ganun kaganda, or it's just simple makeup, glam looks. It's not in creative as in may pa-props pa and everything, but seeing those amazing makeup artists, young makeup artists that at their age, they're able to explore makeup like that is just inspiring for people my age who still hesitant to post and do creative makeups. Yeah. What is your pet peeve? Well, my pet peeve is yung mga taong nagsasabi ng kapag naka-full face makeup ka, gano'n, tapos ang sasabihin nila sa'yo, saan punta, gano'n, yung parang aasarin ka pa. Tapos kapag bibili ka ng makeup, sabihin, bibili ka na ng makeup, para saan, ganyan, to put it on my face. I can do makeup, I like makeup, so mind your own business. What inspired you to do vlogs? There were a lot of younger people who did vlogs and makeup, and they were amazing. And seeing these people rise, pero alam niyo yun, pag nakikita niyo sila na nagiging successful doing makeup and vlogging, it's very inspiring. A lot of people were telling me na mag-start na ako mag-vlog, ganyan. My family kept pushing me to do vlogs, and here I am doing vlogs. Also, shout out Kuya Vince of Glow Fam. Thank you so much for being one of the people who inspired me to do vlogs, because he's a vlogger. Go follow him. Yeah. Next it, guys, naputol yung video. That's why I have this eyeshadow on already and my lashes. Kasi hindi ko alam na full storage na pala siya at na-stop yung pag-record niya. So, yeah. These are my eyeshadow, and I'm probably going to do a tutorial on my Instagram account. I'm going to post it there, or maybe I might also post it on my YouTube. So, stay tuned. The next question that I got is, what is your favorite makeup brand? Ever since I started watching makeup videos, makeup tutorials, and everything, I always see Morphe. Morphe and their colorful eyeshadows. A lot of influencers, beauty gurus use them, and ever since I had the Morphe palette, like the pigment and the number of colors that you get in a palette is amazing. I love Morphe, it's my favorite, and even though I only have 2 palettes, I want to have more. It's my favorite. I mean, I love Morphe, and I hope to be a part of their team someday. Yeah, ano or sino po inspiration niyo sa pagme-makeup? I don't really have someone in mind that inspires me to do makeup, but in general, the makeup artists, you know, and to see where they are now, their success in life, it's inspiring. Another question is, do you need high-end brands for makeup? No, you definitely don't need high-end brands to do makeup, because everyone starts with just local brands or anything that they have that they can provide themselves. Having high-end brands is not really important. As long as you know what you're doing, you love what you're doing, you can do makeup. It's all about the skill. It takes practice to perfect makeup. It's not really about the brand that you use. If you can make it work, it will work. Because if you have the skill, anything that you use will work for you. Ako, I'm a very firm believer that you don't need high-end brands to do makeup, to start makeup. I didn't start with high-end brands. I don't even have high-end brands yet. Kasi for me, of course, it's quality. We're sure about that. But if you really want to practice makeup and you really want to be good, you have to explore products. You have to know what works on you and what works on other people if you're doing other people's makeup. Kaya, don't always think that when you're going to start doing your makeup, or if you want to do makeup, you need high-end brands. No. It's up to you. It's up to your skills. It's up to your talent if you can make it work or not. You know? Moving on. What can you tell your fellow makeup artists? Keep doing your thing. Do your art, do makeup, keep putting on makeup, keep practicing, and don't stop. I'm not that great of an artist yet, but I want to keep practicing to really push my limits. Kaya for everyone, for every makeup artist, or for anyone who wants to start doing makeup, do it now. Go do your thing. What is your favorite makeup palette now? It's the Beauty Glazed Colorboard Palette. Dahil it's the first colorful palette that I have. And alam ko there are rumors na sabi yung Beauty Glazed daw ngayon may issue because of the formula. Parang it has asbestos. Tama ba ako? Correct me if I'm wrong. But I'm still using it. I'm so sorry. Sabi nila, maybe it was seen from a fake palette. I don't know if what's true because there's no one's confirming it yet. Some of the questions that I got are no longer beauty related, so I'm just reading. Thoughts on lockdown with relation in mental health and self-love. As much as we take care of our physical health, we should also take care of our mental health. We should value it like how we value our physical health. Kasi alam niyo, this lockdown is very, it's draining, it's tiring, and a lot of us are worried because we don't know when this will end. Most of us lost jobs and is trying to survive this pandemic. We should reflect on what's happening. We should try to, give more time to ourselves. Kasi we have all the time in our hands now. And taking care of our mental health, especially in this pandemic, is very important. Do the things that will help you cope. Do what you love, discover, learn. Just do everything that will help you cope because it's important. Work out, do the things you love, discover new things that you can do. I mean, if you have the luxury to do so, go ahead. As long as it's your way of coping with everything that's happening, just do it because we have to train our minds. Now that we're in quarantine, we have to train it to make it stronger, to lessen breakdowns. Everyone is suffering now with everything that's happening. How are you feeling during these difficult times? I'm okay, but at the same time I'm not because I'm fully aware of what's happening and it's frustrating. But I don't want to just, I don't want to be frustrated about it all the time. So I try my best to cope. And so I work out, I do makeup, I try to attend online dance classes because I have the luxury of time to do so, and I started a YouTube channel. Recognizing my privilege to be able to do that is something that most people don't have, and knowing that I'm not very comfortable with the thought of it. This question is very What are your thoughts on the government? We all know that the government is trash. Shut up. How will I say this without getting bashed? The government doesn't have the sense of urgency at this time of a pandemic. Kasi makikita naman natin kung gaano kabagal ang usad ng Pilipinas compared sa ibang countries. And don't pull out that card saying na hindi di ba sinabi mga Pilipina and all that. Kasi alam nyo, we're trying to survive. We're in a third world country, and if we're not going to do anything, we will die. Especially if this government isn't doing enough for us. I'm sorry if I'm going to offend any DBS supporters. Sorry, not sorry. Pero yeah, that's my thought. It sucks that the government is doing this to us kasi it's maddening. It's frustrating. It's making people suffer. Another interesting question. What's the best thing to do in our current situation? Educate ourselves. We have to educate ourselves with the things that's happening. We have to be focused, alert, to be fully aware, and make ourselves a better citizen. I'm not saying na we need to notice what's wrong and what's right, what we can do to help, and the best thing to really do in our current situation is to educate ourselves and to be aware of what's happening. Next question is, how many piercings do you have and why did you get it? I have 8 piercings. I used to have 10. No, 11. I had a rook and the conch, tapos yung auricle piercing, kaso ayun, hindi ko na sila nabalik kasi tinanggal ko sila nung nagpa-x-ray ako and was newly pierced. So, yeah. I got them because when I was a kid, pag tinitignan ko yung pictures ko, I had big ears. Like, kapag ginanyan ko, ayan, nakikita niyo. I get teased a lot because of my ears na they're big. But when I had piercing, I couldn't even tie my hair into a ponytail because I was too insecure that people will see my ears. But now that I have piercings on, I'm like, do you see those earrings? Finally, the last question. Aside from makeup, what else do you do? I'm a dancer. I dance. I am a member of the LPU dance troupe. Shout out sa inyo. Thank you for being supportive. Ever since I was a kid, I loved to perform. I loved dancing. When I was in elementary, I joined the dance troupe in my previous school, and in high school, I also joined the dance troupe. And now that I'm in college, I'm still in a dance troupe. It's because I love dancing. I love meeting new people. Has the same passion as I do, because alam nyo, as much as I love doing makeup, now that there's a pandemic, I can't train. There's no dance classes, and I feel like I'm not overacting, that there's a space, there's a hole in my heart that needs to be filled, and it is dancing. I'm not able to dance during this pandemic, so yeah. That's it for today's video. I hope that I answered your questions well, and I hope you liked them. So yeah, kahit fail yung get ready with me ko kasi hindi ko masyado napakita sa inyo kung paano ko ginawa. But anyways, like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell to get notified whenever I post. Follow my social media accounts. My Facebook is Trish Contreras, and my Instagram is Trish_Contreras, wherein I post most of my makeup pictures, and I might post this tutorial on my Instagram too, so stay tuned. Yeah, bye guys, till next video.